R-KF2, a universal bonded anchor. A new styrene-free universal bonded anchor designed for general use in concrete and masonry substrates, ETA approved. Available in 3 versions, standard, winter and summer. You'll find the installation instructions on the inside of the label. A wide range of cartridge sizes allows the product to be matched to specific installation needs. Let's take a look at how the anchor performs when installing an antenna bracket. Start by marking the drilling points. Drill the holes using an SDS Plus hammer drill and a drill bit suitable for the substrate. Here, we're using a Rawlplug brick drill SDS Plus for non-hammer drilling in ceramic building materials. Clean the hole thoroughly using a hand pump and a hole brush. Starting from the bottom of the hole, blow it out at least twice, brush it twice, and blow it out twice again. Next, insert the mesh sleeve, which is essential when working in hollow substrates. Remove the cap and attach the mixing nozzle, RNOZ10, mixing nozzle for bonded anchors. Place the cartridge into the manual applicator gun. When using a new cartridge, dispense a small amount of resin first to ensure the components are properly mixed. Extrude around 10 centimeters, for example, onto a piece of cardboard. Then fill each cleaned and prepared hole with resin, starting from the bottom and filling the hole completely to 100% of its depth. The R-KF2 universal bonded anchor can be used multiple times. A partially used cartridge can be reused by simply fitting a new mixing nozzle. Immediately after dispensing the resin, insert the threaded stud using a slow twisting motion. If excess resin flows out of the hole, allow it to cure fully, then carefully remove the excess with a hammer. Position the fixture only after the full curing time stated on the label has elapsed. Using a torque wrench, tighten all nuts without exceeding the maximum tightening torque specified in the documentation. Secure the antenna to the bracket in line with the manufacturer's instructions, using clamps in this case. R-KF2 also performs reliably in other substrates, including concrete. To ensure optimum performance of the installed fixing, always follow the installation guidelines. Proper hole cleaning is essential. 4 times pump, 4 times brush, 4 times pump. Only then can the declared load capacity of the rebar be fully achieved. For more application examples, visit rawlplug.com.